Let's do an unboxing of the Maono USB PD200X microphone. Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I've just got this Maono USB microphone and it's with the boom arm bundle. So this is going to clamp onto the desk, so we're going to show you the unboxing and the setup of everything. Alright, so first we've got the instructional manuals here. Then we've got the connection cord. Let's see how long this is. I reviewed a previous Maono microphone. I do love the Maono microphones. They do sound great. And this is pretty long. And it is USB-C and USB. Next, we've got the table clamp thing, which we are going to attach to the table. And then we've got the microphone, the Maono microphone. This part around I can feel is plastic, but the actual body of the microphone is it feels like it's metal. And lastly, we've got the arm of it all. We have this here. The clamp's gonna go down at the bottom. The microphone is gonna screw on here at the end, and then you should be able to adjust this however you like on your desk. Alright, so first thing you want to do is grab the arm here and the clamp thing for the table, and you just connect these two together, and then we're going to screw this in so that it tightens and it holds it in place. And so, just give you a preview, you would have the table go through here. Did I hit the microphone? And then when you extend it, you would put the microphone here at the end. So now we're going to put the microphone over here, but I'll just fold it so it's easier. We now have the microphone, and we're just gonna screw this in place. It's hard doing it in the air like this, but we've got it. We've got the mic screwed in. I'm just gonna tighten this up here. And then you see when you extend this, you can move this around however you like. And so once you've got it all connected like this, you can take the USB-C and plug it from here, the microphone, to your laptop.
Testing, testing. This is a test of the Maono PD200X microphone here. I'm about 3 inches away from the microphone. Now I'm speaking really close to the microphone. I'm like 1 inch away here. I have added nothing to this audio, so it is raw, unfiltered, raw audio. How does this sound?
So that was the unboxing, setup, and sound test review of the Maono microphone. Like I said, I've used Maono microphones in the past. I've really enjoyed them. I think they have a great sound. If you are interested in getting something like this, head down to the description below where I'll have the Amazon links for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.